ॐ शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुधैवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनुक्कु हर हरोहर। लोकवीर्यं महापूज्यं सर्वरक्षाकरं विभुं पार्वतीहृदयानन्दं शास्तारं प्रणमाम्यहम्। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा। भागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगदपितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्रीपार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं विदरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रभाटी ध्रुवमभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरधाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതിന്നു മഞ്ഞനെ കുമ്പിടേണ്ടാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കുന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Okay, welcome everyone. So like as Amuchichi was telling earlier, so in today's Naranyam day, which is the think the 28th day of Vrichika Masam, right, in Kerala. So glad the class is also, we have that class happening on Sunday as well. So Nikki, I think we're going to do 39 and 40. Let's see if we can revise those two, and then we'll continue with our 44, right? So Lakshmi, you'll be able to do 39. Okay.
Rajesh.
Okay, and then I wanted Jayashree to do, so let's see if Jayashree is able to join by the time, right? Else we'll figure out. And then Nikki, class on the Uma, you can be the student today?
Rajesh, I can be, but I am in the car in the highway, so I don't know what kind of background noise you're getting.
Okay, no problem. Supriya,
I can,
yeah.
I can try. But enna chattam varudhu enakku theriyala pinnadi, so
no problem. Next class we can adjust, right? No worries. So
okay.
Yeah, Supriya, you can be the student, and then we'll have the birthday girl today be the student.
Thank you, Rajesh. நான் என்னன்னா இப்பதான் யோசிச்சேன், நான் 39 40 ஓட பிரிண்ட் அவுட் வச்சிருக்கேன். I have not taken 44 and 46. எனக்கு you start the reviewing and I'll take the print out and come.
Yeah, 44 and 46 get print out of both of those. Okay.
Sure. I'll be there.
Okay, Lakshmi, you want to start with 39?
Sure. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Bhavantamayududvahan yadukulodvaho nissaran Tadarsh gaganocchala jalabharam kalindatmajam Aho salila sanchayassa punarraindra jalodito Jalaugha iva takshanat prabhadame yatamayayau.
Lakshmi, the first word mattu thirupi solunga. Bhavantam ayam udvahan. That word you sounded different.
Okay. Bhavantamaya mudvahan.
Okay.
Prasupta pashupalikam nibhrita marudhad balikam apavruta kavatikam pashupavatikam avishan bhavantamayam arpayan prasavatalpake tatpadat vahan kapatakanyakam swapuramaagato vegataha ततस्त्वदनुजारवक्षपित निद्रवेगद्रवद् भटोत्कर निवेदित प्रसव वार्तयैवार्तिमान् विमुक्त चिकुरोत्करस्त्वरितमापतन् भोजरात् अतुष्ट इव दृष्टवान् भगिनिकाकरे कन्यकाम् ध्रुवं कपटशालिनो मधुहरस्य माया भवेत् असाविति किशोरिकां भगिनिका करालिङ्गितां द्विपो नलिनिकान्तरादिव मृणालिकाम् आक्षिपन् अयं त्वदनुजामजाम् उपलपट्टके पिष्टवान् ततो भवदुपासको झटिति मृत्युपाशादिव प्रमुच्य तरसैव सा समधिरूढरूपान्तरा अधस्थलमज्जग्मुषी विकसदष्टबाहुस्फुरन् महायुधमहो गता किल विहाय सादिद्युते नृशंसतरकंस ते किमु माया विनिष्पिष्टया बभूव भवदन्तकः क्वचन चिन्त्यतां ते हितम् इति त्वदनुजा विभो कलमुदीर्य तं जग्मुषी मरुद्गणपणायिता भुवि च मन्दिराण्येयुषी प्रगे पुनरगात्मजा वचनमीदिता भूभुजा प्रलम्बबकपूतना प्रमुखदानवामानिनः भवन्निधनकाम्यया जगति बभ्रमुर्निर्भयाः उमारकविमारकाः किमिव दुष्करं निष्कृपैः ततः पशुपमन्दिरे त्वयि मुकुन्द नन्दप्रिया प्रसूतिशयने शये रुदति किञ्चिदञ्चत्पदे विबुध्य वनिता जनैः तनय संभवे घोषिते मुदा किमु वदाम्यहो सकलमाकुलं गोकुलम् अहो खलु यशोदया नवकलाय चेतोहरं भवन्तमलमन्तिके प्रथममापि बन्त्यादृशा पुनस्तनभरं निजं सपदि पाययन्त्या मुदा मनोहरतनुस्पृशा जगति पुण्यवन्तो जिताः भवत्कुशलकाम्यया सखलु नन्दगोपस्तदा प्रमोदभरसङ्कुलो द्विजकुलाय किन्ना ददात् तथैव पशुपालकः किमु न मङ्गलं ते निरे जगत्कृतय मङ्गल त्वमिह पाहि पाहि मामयात्
मामामयात्
पाहि मामयात् जगत्कृतय मङ्गल त्वमिह पाहि मामयात्.
Correct. Very good. Actually, உங்களோட இது looks like you are trying to dial in through another line as well.
அப்படியா?
Jayalakshmi's iPhone ன்னு வருது. It's connecting to audio ன்னு வருது. I don't know if it's the same thing.
Oh, right. Yeah, you know, when I was the forward pandrodu, I think I got connected here also. Let me cancel it. Yeah, I did.
Hey, Jayashree. Hey, will you be able to do try 40 today? Can't hear you.
Did we have to do 40 this week also?
Yeah, that's okay. If you haven't prepared, no worries. I'll see Uma. But do you know Jayashree, or should I ask if Uma can do it?
I practiced only 39. Ipa double homework. 2 dashakams per week.
போனதுல ரெண்டு முடிச்சிட்டோம் இல்லையா, அதனால no worries.
நான் ஒண்ணு தான் படிச்சேன் ராஜேஷ்.
That's fine.
I can do 39, but I can try 40. But
no, that's okay. No, let me see if Uma, are you able to chant 40? I know you're in the car, but
Yeah, I can, but noise ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கா பின்னாடி?
இல்லையே, ஒண்ணும் கேட்கல.
Okay, then I'll try that.
Okay.
Shri Krishna.
the double homework.
இது வந்து இந்த ராகம் தானே?
ததனு நந்தமமன்.
Okay. ததனு நந்தமமந்துஷ மந்தஷு பாஸ்பதம் நிருபபுரீம் கரதான கிருதே கதம் समवलोक्य जगाद भवत्पिता विदितकं ससहाय जनोद्यमः अयि सखे तव बालक जन्म मां सुखयतेऽद्य निजात्मज जन्मवत इति भवत्पितृताम्रजनायके समधिरोप्य शशंसत्तमादरात् इह च सन्त्यनिमित्तशतानि ते कटकसीमिततो लघुगम्यताम् इति च तद्वचसा वृजनायको भवदपायभियादृतमाययौ अवसरे खलु तत्र च काचन व्रजपदे मधुराकृतिरङ्गना तरलषट्पदलालितकुन्तला कपटपोतकते निकटं गता सपदि सारत बालक चेतना निशिचरान्वयजा किल पूतना व्रजवधूष्विह केयमिति क्षणं विमृशतीषु भवन्तमुपाददे ललित भाव विलास हृतात्मभिर्युवतिभिः प्रतिरोद्धुमपारिता स्तनमसौ भवनान्तनिषेदुषी प्रददुषी भवते कपटात्मने समधिरुह्य तदङ्गम शङ्कितस्त्वमथ बालकलोपनरोषितः महदिवाम्रफलं कुचमण्डलं प्रतिचुचूषित दुर्विषदूषितम् असुभिरेव समं धयति त्वयि स्तनमसौ स्तनितोपमनिस्वना निरपदद्भयदायिनि जम्बपुः प्रतिगता प्रविसार्य भुजावुभौ भयदघोषण भीषण विग्रह श्रवण दर्शन मोहित वल्लवे व्रजपदे तदुरस्थलखेलनं ननुभवन्तमृगृह्णत गोपिकाः भुवनमङ्गलनामभिरेवते युवतिभिर्बहुधा कृतरक्षणः त्वमैवातनिकेतन केतननाथ माम् अगदयन् कुरुतावक सेवकम्.
Very good. These are like really small chapters. Yeah, we're running through them really fast. Okay. So last time, I believe we did 4 stanzas of 44, right? Just the stanza. So let me just go through them and just touch upon the meaning, and then we'll start the 5th one. Okay. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Gudham Vasudheva Gira Kartum te Nishkriyasya Samskaran Hridgata Hora Tatpo Gargamunihi Twadgriham Vibho Khatavan. So in the Vasudeva, right? So he belongs to the Yadava clan. So one of the biggest rishis in the Yadava clan is Gargamuni, and he's very famous for astronomy and astrology and all of those things. So because the Lord itself here, Nishkriyasya, beyond all rituals and beyond all rites, or when new babies are born, you do all the rituals and rites, but because the Lord itself is beyond all that, right? So no, Vasudeva didn't know what to do. So he approached Gargamuni and then told him, very secretly, is that this is a special child. So you go to this place in Nanda's house, and then you go perform the initial naming ceremony and all the rituals for the newborn baby. So at the request of Vasudeva, Gargamuni then comes over to Nanda's house. That's stanza 1. Nandota nanditatma brindishtam manayennamum hyamiham mandasmidhardramuche tvatsamskaran vidatumutsukarihi. So Nanda then, right, Nanditatma, he was very delighted because Gargamuni himself has now come to his house for this. And then Manenamum, he then respectfully welcomed him. And who the Gargamuni, he's here defined as the greatest of all the sages. So Nanda is very happy, and then with a pleasant smile, he welcomes him to perform all the rituals and rites, not just for Krishna, but also for his brother Balarama. Of course, both of the kids are not named yet, but for both the children, he welcomes him to perform the rites. So stanza 3. Yaduvamshacharyatvat sunibhritamidam arya karyamiti katayen gargo nirgata pulakah chakre tavasagrajasya namani. So here the Gargamuni now says, O Nanda, since I am the head of the priests of the Yadava clan and I've come here, and because Nandagopa is not part of the Yadava's clan directly, so he says this, and because I've been told to perform this very secretly, so I will still do this for you. But however, this ceremony should be kept very secret. Should not tell anybody that I have actually come here to perform this for this unique child. And then saying so, Nirgata Pulakaha. So he's now feeling, like in the Pullarikramari, he's like getting this feeling all over his body that he's actually going to be doing this. And then he performs Sagrajasya Namani. He performs the naming ceremony for Chakriyatava, for you and your elder brother. So for both of them, Gargamuni decides to perform the naming ceremony. Stanza 4. Katamasya nama kurve sahasranamno henantanamno va iti nunam Gargamunihi Chakretava nama nama rahasi vibho. So now Gargamuni is thinking, Katamasya nama kurve. What name can I give to this person? Sahasra namnahahi. This person already has thousands of names. So for a person who already has thousands of names, what kind of a name can I actually give? Ananta namnaha, and not just thousand, he says he has endless list of names because this child is everything. So Gargamuni is thinking, what kind of a name can I actually give this? So iti nunam. So Gargamuni is now thinking, and then Gargamunihi Chakre Tavanama Rahasi Vibho. So he now conducts the ceremony for naming the children. That's where we ended in stanza 4. So Nikki, we said, I forgot who I said, Satya and Priyava.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So stanza 5. Krishidhatu nakarabhyam sattanandatmatham kilabhilapate jagadaga karshitvam va kataya drishihi Krishna namate vyatanot. So Krishi Dhatu. So the word Krish, Krishi, Krish or Dhatu, the first part of it. So Krish or word. Then Na Karabhyam. So the Na is attached to the end of that. So taking the word Krish and taking the word Na, right? He then joins those two to create the name Krishna. Now Krish means existing and Na here means bliss. So this is by putting the word Krish and Na together, he's saying this is complete existence of bliss is the name. So that's how it says Krishi Dhatu Na Karabhyam. He's taking the Krish and the Na, then joining them together. Sattananda Atmatam. So because of this is the existing bliss which is created is your true nature of the Lord. So that's why he decides to give this name to the baby as Krishna. And then here he says this here, the Kataya Trishihi, the sage then says, Jagadaga Karshitvam Va. So this name or this person is going to take away all the sins of the world away. So whoever follows this person is going to take away all these sins. And Krishna Namate Vyatanot. By doing this, he gives you the name Krishna. So that's what is stanza 5. So this is kind of naming ceremony of Krishna. So Krishi Dhatu Na Karabhyam, comma, Sattanandatmatam, Sattananda Atmatam. So Sattanandatmatam Khila Bhilapate Jagadhaga Karshitvam Va Kataya Drishihi Krishna Namate Vyatanot. Krishidhatu Nakarabhyam Sattanandatmatam Khila Bhilapate Jagadhaga Karshitvam Va Kataya Drishihi Krishna Namate Vyatanot. Priya, you want to go first?
Yeah. Krishidhathunakarabhyam Sattanandatmatam kilabhilapad Jagadha Karshitvam Va Kathaya Drishihi.
Kataya Drishihi.
Jagadha Karshitvam Va Kathaya Drishihi Krishna Namate Vetanot. Krishidhathunakarabhyam Sattanandatmatam kilabhilapad Jagadha Karshitvam Va Kathaya Drishihi Krishna Namate Vetanot.
Krishidhatu nakarabhyam Sattananda Atmakam Kilabilapat Jagadaga Karshitvam Va Kataya Drishihi Krishna Namate Vyatanot. Krishidhatu nakarabhyam Sattananda Atmakam Kilabilapat Jagadaga Karshitvam Va Kataya Drishihi Krishna Namate Vyatanot.
Yeah. But then the Krishidhatu Na is the big Na in Sanskrit.
No. On second
Na, not
Na.
the Na.
Na.
Okay.
Second na.
Na, second Na. Okay.
Krishna or no? Okay.
Yeah, Krishna. So Krishidhatu Na Karabhyam.
Na. Okay.
Rajesh, the third line, Jagat, how do you say that word? Jagat
Jagadhaga.
Oh,
And
I see.
the first Jaga is the first Ga.
Correct.
The Ga is the second Ga. So Jagadhaga.
So Jagadhaga.
Yeah, Jagadhaga.
Okay, thank you.
Jagadhaga Karshitvam Va. Stanza 6. Anyamscha nama bhedan Vyakurvanagraje Charamadhin Atimanushanubhavam Nyagadatvam Aprakashayan Pitre. So Vyakurvan Anyamcha Nama Vedan. So not just the name Krishna, he also gives the child several other names like Vasudeva, like Amachula, the Vasudeva is Vasudeva, the father. Vasudeva is Krishna, right? So Almari, he gives a lot of other names to the child as well. Agraje cha Ramadin. Agraje, to the elder brother, he gives the name Rama. So Balarama, so he gives the name Rama to the elder brother as well. And then Nyapatat Pitre, and then Garga Muni then tells the father that Ati Manushanubhavam. So this child, right, the bhavam, the anubhavam, the behavior and the qualities of this child is Ati Manusha. So not just a regular human kind, it's like a superhuman kind, thing. And then Tvam Aprakasha. However, Garga Muni did not reveal that you are indeed a god itself. So he didn't say that, but he said this is a child of extremely high qualities beyond human nature, right? So that's what he says in stanza 6. Stanza 7. Oh, sorry, the Mudikliyanama. So Anyamscha Nama Bhedan, comma.
Rajesh, wrote it out. Anyamshavadu.
Anyamscha.
Im irka enna inga vandu im illa.
Oh, Anyanscha. See, Anyanscha nu potrukanga.
Im en onime illa Anyashcha potrukku.
Illa. You have to put an im, that's a dot on the top.
So Anyam im, the small im, Anyamscha.
So Anyamscha.
Okay.
So Anyamscha Nama Bhedan, comma. Byakurvan Nagraje. Actually, Vyakurvan plus Agraje, but when you say it together, it will become a small na and a big na. So Vyakurvan Nagraje cha Ramadin. So you can say Vyakurvan Nagraje cha Ramadin. Ati Manushanu Bhavam. So Ati Manushanu Bhavam, comma. Nyagadat Twam Aprakashayan Pitre. So Nyagadatvam Aprakashayan Pitre. Anyamscha Nama Bhedan Vyakurvan Nagraje cha Ramadin Atimanushanubhavam Nyagadatvam Aprakashayan Pitre.
Anyamscha Nama Bhedan Vyakurvannagraje cha Ramadin Atimanushanubhavam Nyagadatvam Aprakashayan Pitre. Anyamscha Nama Bhedan Vyakurvannagraje cha Ramadin Atimanushanubhavam Nyagadatvam Aprakashayan Pitre.
Anyam cha nama bedan vyakurvannagraje cha Ramadin atimanushanubhavam nyagadatvam aprakashayan pitre. Anyam cha nama bedan vyakurvannagraje cha Ramadin atimanushanubhavam nyagadatvam aprakashayan pitre.
Stanza 7. Snihyadi yastava putre muhyati sana mayikaih punashokaihi druhyadi yasya tu nashyet ityavadatte mahatvam rishivaryah. So here he says some of the benefits. He says Snihyadi yastava putre. Whoever likes your son, tava putre, whoever likes that son, muhyadi sana mayikai. So the impact of maya on them will be reduced. So they will not get affected or be disturbed by the maya. Punashokaihi, as well as sorrow. So whoever likes your son will have reduced effect of maya and reduced effect of sorrows. Druhyati yaha, whoever is going against him, satu nashyet, they will be completely destroyed. So iti rishi varyaha, that's the sage actually told him, te mahatvam. The sage talked about your glory in this way. So snihyati yastava putre, comma, and the snihyati is half ha, right? Snihyati yastava putre, comma, muhyati, similarly half ha, muhyati sana mayikaihi, we can put a f there. So mayikaif punashokaihi, you can put a ish after punaha, because punaha irukku, shokaihi irukku. So muhyati sana mayikaif punashokaihi druhyati yassatu nashyet. And the dit in Sanskrit or anything, make it nashyet it, put a comma, and then make it ityavadatte, put a e. So make the d into it and e. So druhyati yasya tu nashyet, comma, ityavadatte mahatvam rishivaryaha. It's mahatvam rishivaryaha, but then the r is combined with the ma. So mahatvam rishivaryaha. Snihyati yastava putre muhyati sana mayikaih punashokaihi druhyati yasya tu nashyet ityavadatte mahatvam rishivaryaha.
स्निह्यति यस्तव पुत्रे मुह्यति सनमायिकै पुनः शोकैः द्रुह्यति यः स तु नश्येत इत्यवदत्ते महत्त्वं ऋषिवर्यः स्निह्यति यस्तव पुत्रे मुह्यति सनमायिकै पुनः शोकैः द्रुह्यति यः स तु नश्येत इत्यवदत्ते महत्त्वं ऋषिवर्यः
स्निह्यति यस्तव पुत्रे मुह्यति सनमायिकै पुनः शोकैः द्रुह्यति यसतु नश्येत इत्यवदत्ते महत्त्वं ऋषिवर्यः
Druhyati yassatu. The is yassatu.
यस्सतु. Oh,
Yeah. Because you're putting
to-
this in that visarga, right? Instead of that.
oh, या பக்கத்துல இஸ் இருக்கா?
இல்ல யாக்கு அப்புறம் இந்த விசர்கா இருக்கு இல்லையா, டாட்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா?
ஓ, இங்க இல்ல விசர்கா. ஓகே. சோ எஸ் அத ஜாயின்
Yeah,
பண்ணுவோம்.
yaha and san இருக்கும். So you can put a is there.
ஓ, இங்க.
You can say
ஓகே.
it as druhyati yassatu.
Okay, यस्सतु. Okay. स्निह्यति यस्तव पुत्रे मुह्यति सनमायिकैः पुनः शोकैः द्रुह्यति यस्सतु नश्येत इत्यवदत्ते महत्त्वं ऋषिवर्यः.
Stanza 8. Jeshyati bahutara dhaityan neshyati nija bandhulokam padam sroshyati suvimala kirtirasyeti bhavat vibhutim rishiruche. So Jeshyati, he will win over bahutara daityan, many asuras, right? So actually in the Krishna avataram, the people, they remember only Kamsa and then they remember Mahabharata, right? But actually there are a lot of other asuras, who the Lord killed as well, plus gave moksham, right? Whether it be Putana, or in 47 we are going to learn about two other people who were the trees who he liberated. So there are a lot of other people were also got liberation, right? Because of Krishna. So he says he's going to conquer many asuras, and then neshyati nijabandhu lokam. So he'll take care of his own people as well. Amalapadam, and he'll keep them, good behavior, maintain, take good care of them. And then the most important one he says is Subimala Shroshyasi. So he says to Nanda is you will hear, right, his Subimala Kirti. As a father, you will hear a lot of great fame about your son. So he's telling him, so you'll become very proud as a father because you'll hear a lot of great things about your son as time goes on. And then he says, Iti Rishi Uche Bhavat Vibhutim. So all the greatness, he thus said all about your greatness to Nandagopa. So Jeshyati bahutara dhaityan, comma, neshyati nija bandhu lokam amalapadam. Okay, it's lokam amalapadam. But you can, if you are able to say it together, it's lokam amalapadam. Okay, but if you want to break it, it will be lokam amalapadam. Then chala books la it is shrosh yasin irukku, chala book la shrosh yatin irukku. But in the I got corrected as Sroshyati. So if you have Sroshyasi, then change it to Sroshyati. Okay. Sroshyati Suvimala Kirti Rasyethi. Suvimala Kirti Rasyethi, comma, Bhavat Vibhutim Rishi Ruche. Bhavat Vibhutim Rishi Ruche. But again, and the Rishi, you can say combined with that Bhutim. So Bhutim Rishi Ruche together. Change the Chalumut. Jeshyati Bahutara Dhaityan Neshyati Nija Bandhulokam Amalapadam Sroshyati Subimala Kirti Rasyeti Bhavat Vibhutim Rishi Ruche.
जेष्यति बहुतर दैत्यान् नेष्यति निजबन्धुलोकममलपदं श्रोष्यति सुविमलकीर्तिरस्येति भवद्विभूतिं ऋषिरुचे जेष्यति बहुतरदैत्यान् नेष्यति निजबन्धुलोकममलपदं श्रोष्यति सुविमलकीर्तिरस्येति भवद्विभूतिं ऋषिरुचे
जेष्यति बहुतर दैत्यान् नेष्यति निज बन्धुलोकम् अमलपदं श्रोष्यति सुविमल कीर्तिरस्येति भवद्विभूतिं ऋषिरुचे
Vibhutim.
Vibhutim. Yeah. Should I say that again? Line.
Second time should have.
जेष्यति बहुतर दैत्यान् नेष्यति निज बन्धुलोकम् अमलपदं श्रोष्यति सुविमल कीर्तिरस्येति भवद्विभूतिं ऋषिरुचे.
Yeah. Stanza 9. Amunhaiva sarvadurgam taritasta kritastamatra tishtatvam harirevetyana bilapan ityadi tvamavarnayat samunihi. So again, telling about his glory, he says, Amuna eva, only because of him, the child here, you will be able to cross all the obstacles in your life. Sarva Durgam, all the obstacles on Nandagopa that you're going to be able to, you'll face, you'll be able to overcome. So have faith in this child, right? So this is going to be your protector. In this manner, Anabilapan Hari eva iti. In this, not so, like you said earlier, other than literally saying that this is Hari himself, right? Hari eva iti. So instead of literally saying this is Hari, he says everything else around it, kind of beating around the bush, saying everything around it, literally just not telling that this is Hari himself. He praises him. So Amunaiva Sarva Durgam Taritasta, Kritastam Atra Tishta Dvam. Kritastam Atra Tishta Dvam. Harirevetya na bilapanne. And the bilapanne, and the, if you have pa and then in and ni and everything, just make it Harirevetya na bilapanne in, put a comma, and say ityadi, put a small e. Ityadi tvam avarnayat samunihi. So Harirevetya na bilapanne, comma, ityadi tvam avarnayat samunihi. Amunhaiva sarvadurgam taritasta kritastamatra tishtatvam harirevetyana bilapan ityadi tvamavarnayat samunihi.
Amunaiva sarvadurgam taritastha kritastamatra tishtatvam harirevetyana bilapan ityadi tvamavarnayat samunihi. Amunaiva sarva durgam taritastha kritastamatra tishtatvam harirevetyana pilapanna ityadi tvamavarnayat samunihi.
Amunaiva sarva durgam taritastha kritastamatra trishtadvam.
Tishtadvam.
Yeah, trishtadvam. Sorry. Tishtadvam harirevetyana bilapanna ityadi tvam avarnayat samunihi. Amunaiva sarva durgam taritasta kritastamatra trishtadvam harire. Oh, sorry. Tishtadvam. Yeah. Inge 3 word. Tishtadvam harirevetyana bilapanna ityadi tvam avarnayat samunihi.
Yeah. Stanza 10. Ghargeta nirgadesmin nandita nandhadi nandhyamanastvam madghada mudghada karuno nirgamaya Srimarutpuradhisha. So Ghargeta, then Gargamuni then left, Nirgate Asmin, then Gargamuni then left, and then Nandadi Nanditaha. So Nanda and others Nanditaha. They were all extremely happy. And then Nandyamanahatvam. So in the patanaka Nandadi Nandita Nandyamanaha. So Nanda, then others were delighted, and then they also liked you. Ellame, and the Nanda is the root word for all of those. So they really loved you and liked you. And then O Sri Marutpuradisha, O Lord of Guruvayur, Udghada Karunaha, you are full of compassion. And then Nirgata Mamagata. So protect, remove all my diseases and ailments. This naming thing gets over. So Gargeta Nirgatesmin, comma, Nandita Nandadi Nandya Manas Tvam. Nandita Nandadi Nandya Manas Tvam. Madgadam Udgata Karuno Nirgamaya, comma. So Madgadam Udgata Karuno Nirgamaya, comma, Sri Marut Puradisha. Gargeta Nirgatesmin Nandita Nandhadi Nandyamanastvam Madgadam Udgata Karuno Nirgamaya Sri Marut Puradisha.
गर्गेत निर्गतेऽस्मिन् नन्दितनन्दादिनन्द्यमानस्त्वं मद्गदमुद्गदकरुणो निर्गमय श्रीमरुत्पुराधीश गर्गेत निर्गतेऽस्मिन् नन्दितनन्दादिनन्द्यमानस्त्वं मद्गदमुद्गदकरुणो निर्गमय श्रीमरुत्पुराधीश
गर्गेत निर्गतेऽस्मिन् नन्दित नन्दादि नन्द्यमानस्त्वं मद्गतम् उद्गत करुणो निर्गमय श्रीमरुत्पुराधीश गर्गेत निर्गतेऽस्मिन् नन्दित नन्दादि नन्द्यमानस्त्वं मद्गतम् उद्गत करुणो निर्गमय श्रीमरुत्पुराधीश.
Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. So because it's a small chapter, so originally our plan was we were going to do 46 in the next class, but I think we'll be able to finish through 46 and 47 by end of next class. So on the 25th to the list line, I'm going to add 47 as well. Okay, so we'll be able to, because these are really just two lines, Maridane, so it's a pretty small chapters. So we'll go to 46.
I have a question.
In
the next, you said in like the next set 20, right? The next 20 dasakams you said. Are we done with the 20 dasakams? Are we like coming close to the end of that, or
no? I had to check. Like we were going to do 30, right?
Oh, 30?
Yeah. So second batch was 30. I think I don't know how much. Maybe we've done close to 8 or 9. I think. Yeah. I think by end
46 wouldn't you 10 Mudium Rajesh? I think if you're done with 46, we'll be done with 10 in this session.
We'll be done with 10. Okay.
Correct.
All right. Okay. Yeah. So at 46 it's an interesting dasakam too, right? So this is the Vishwarupa Pradarshana Varnanam. So this was Vishwarupa, the full form was full Vishwarupam was shown to like once in the court in the Mahabharata episode, and then one to of course Arjuna during the war. In this case to Yashoda, the Vishwarupam is not the Lord's big form, but the Vishwarupam, the everything in the world inside the Lord, right? That was what is shown in this 46 dasakam. Okay, so stanza 1. Ahi deva pura kila tvahi swayamuttana shahe stanandahe parijrumbanato vyapavrite vadane vishwamachashta vallavi. So Ahi deva, O Lord, pura kila. So long time back, right? The naming ceremony la mudinjachu, and then the 45 chapter it talks about some other fun things that the child does. So the child is beginning to grow now, right? So here Uttana Shaye. So Uttana Shaye, the Shayanam, right? The various ways in which the Lord is lying down. Uttana Shaye means he's lying on his back, right? So the baby has still not flipped over onto the stomach, right? So still a small baby. The Uttana Shaye is lying on his back once. So Tvai Swayam, so in the you on your own, right? Stanandaye, when the baby was drinking milk, Parijrumanataha, the baby yawned. And when the baby yawned, right, Vishwamachashta, the whole universe was seen, Vyapavrite vadane, in your mouth. So when the baby yawned, right, just while drinking milk once, Yashoda, who was then feeding the baby, Vallavi Yashoda, saw the entire universe for a very brief second. But Aduvanda, it's like baby is showing it on his own, right? Krishna is showing it on his own. Again, later on in the chapter, circumstances comes where she's actually able to see it. But this was a quick passing Mari. Suddenly, yawn panu, takkan pata, something was there and it just went off, right? So it was not, she did not see everything, but the entire universe was shown Swayam by you, right, at that time. So Ayi Deva Pura Kila Tvai, comma, Swayam Uttanashaye, Swayam Uttanashaye, Stanandaye, Parijrumbanato Vyapavrite, comma, Vadane Vishwam Achashta Vallavi. Ahideva Pura Kila Tvai, Swayamuttanashaye Stanandaye, Parijrumbanato Vyapavrite, Vadane Vishwamachashta Vallavi.
अयि देव पुरा किल त्वयि स्वयमुत्थानशये स्तनन्धये परिजृम्भणतो व्यपावृते वदने विश्वमचष्टवल्लवे अयि देव पुरा किल त्वयि स्वयमुत्थानशये स्तनन्धये परिजृम्भणतो व्यपावृते वदने विश्वमचष्टवल्लवे
अयि देव पुरा किल त्वयि स्वयमुत्थानशये स्तनन्दये परिजृम्भणतो व्यपावृते वदने विश्वमचष्टवल्लवी अयि देव पुरा किल त्वयि स्वयमुत्थानशये स्तनन्दये परिजृम्भणतो व्यपावृते वदने विश्वमचष्टवल्लवी.
The first line la Ayi Deva Pura Kila Tvahi. Don't make sure you're not stretching that thing too much because it's a short E, not Tvahi. Tvahi.
Just Tvahi, just yeah. Short E. Okay.
Stanza 2. Punarapyata bhalakai samham Tvahi lila nirate jagatpate phala sanjaya vanchana krudha tava mrit bhojanam uchurarbakaha. So in here there are like different versions of what happened, but at least the way Bhattacharya has described here is Jagatpate, then like, O Lord of the universe, Punahapi, later on, then one day, Tvai Leela Nirate, you were kind of playing with, you are busy playing with Balakai Samam, along with other children, along with all your other friends. So Vanchanaha, so you were cheating those children, Phala Sanchaya, when they were collecting fruits. So the children all had gone and collected all the fruits, and they were stealing the fruits from somewhere, and they were collecting it. And then Krishna went and stole those fruits. So when that happens, right, now the kids cannot go and tell the mom or Yashoda that Krishna is stealing the fruits, because if they tell, then Yashoda will ask, where did you get the fruits from? So they have to tell that they stole it, right? So that's why they don't tell that she's stealing the fruits. And here Bhattacharya says Kruda, so the kids who now get angered, who get angry now, Tava Mrid Bhojanam. So they went and complained that Mrid Bhojanam, that Krishna is eating sand. So they go and complain that Krishna is eating sand. So here Bhattacharya is saying, at least in his version of the story, he's not telling that Krishna is eating sand, because one version of the story is Krishna is eating sand. Balarama then goes and complains saying that Krishna is eating. His logic here is Krishna, the kids are stealing the fruits. Krishna then goes and steals their fruits. So the kids go and complain to Yashoda that Krishna is eating sand to get him into trouble. So that's what is stanza 2. So Punarapyata Balakaihi irukku. We put a is there. So Punarapyata Balakai Samam, comma, Tvai Leela Nirate Jagatpate. Phala, remember that's not phala, phala Sanchaya Vanchana Kruda. Phala Sanchaya Vanchana Kruda, comma, Tava Mrid Bhojanam Uchur Arbakaha. So Tava Mrid Bhojanam Uchur Arbakaha. Uchur Arbakaha. You can see it together. Punarapyata bhalakai samham Tvai leela nirate jagatpate phala sanchaya vanchana krudha तव मृद्भोजनमूचुरर्भकाः
पुनरभ्यत बालकैः समं त्वयि लीला निरते जगत्पदे फलसञ्चय वञ्चनक्रुधा तव मृद्भोजनमूचुरर्भकाः पुनरभ्यत बालकैः समं त्वयि लीला निरते जगत्पदे फलसञ्चय वञ्चनक्रुधा तव मृद्भोजनमूचुरर्भकाः
पुनरप्यत बालकैः समं त्वयि लीला निरते जगत्पते फलसञ्चय वञ्चनक्रुधा तव मृद्भोजनमूचुरर्भकाः पुनरप्यत बालकैः समं त्वयि लीला निरते जगत्पते फलसञ्चय वञ्चनक्रुधा तव मृद्भोजनम् ऊचुरर्भकाः
stanza 3 अहिते प्रलयावधौ विभो क्षितितो यादि समस्तभक्षिणः मृदुपाशनतो रुजा भवेत् इति भीता जननी चुकोपसा. So here it says, I Vibho, O Lord, Pralayavadau, at the time of the Pralayam, when the floods, the great deluge is happening, Samasta Bhakshinaha. So you actually consumed everything, right? Anything that moves, anything that doesn't move, you actually consumed everything. Kshiti, Toya, Adihi. Kshiti is earth, Toya is water, Adihi is etc. etc. So the earth, water, anything which is movable, anything which is immovable, you consumed everything, right, during the pralayam. However, Janani Bita, your mother now got worried that Ruja Bhavetiti, that you are actually going to fall sick. Mrida Upashanadaha, by eating a little bit of mud, right? So for a person who has consumed everything, your mother is getting worried for something so trivial that you just ate some mud. Chukopasa, and your mother got angry because of that when the kids went and complained. So, I te pralayavadau vibho, comma, kshiti toyadi samasta bhakshinaha. Mridu pashanato. So, mrid upashanato. So, mridu pashanato ruja bhavet. And di irundunaka, Sanskrit or anything, make it bhavet and put a comma. It. And then iti, put a e. Iti bita janani chukopasa. Aite pralayavadhau vibho kshitito yadi samasta bhakshinaha mridupashanato ruja bhavet iti bhita janani chukopasa.
अयिते प्रलयावधौ विभो क्षिदितो यादि समस्तभक्षिणः मृदुपाशनतो रुजा भवेत् इति भीता जननी चुकोपसा. अयिते प्रलयावधौ विभो क्षिदितो यादि समस्तभक्षिणः मृदुपाशनतो रुजा भवेत् इति भीता जननी चुकोपसा.
अहिते प्रलयावधौ विभो क्षितितो यादि समस्तभक्षिणः मृदुपाशनतो रुजा भवेत् इति भीता जननी चुकोपसा. अहिते प्रलयावधौ विभो क्षितितो यादि समस्तभक्षिणः मृदुपाशनतो रुजा भवेत् इति भीता जननी चुकोपसा.
Stanza 4. Ahidurvinayatmakatvaya kimu mrutsa batavatsa bhakshita iti matrugiram chiram vibho bitatham tvam pratijagnishe hasan. So Durvinayatmaka is a naughty person, one person who's kind of committing, kid who's, she's calling, Yashoda is calling, oh naughty one, right? Kimu Tvaya Mritsabata, was it indeed that mud, Bhakshita Vatsa, oh son, oh naughty one, oh son, come here. Is it really true? Indeed, did you actually eat that mud? right? Iti matrugiram. The mother Yashoda is actually saying this. So the Lord then, for a long time, he says, Prati Jagnishe Hasan, he's laughing and then saying, no, I did not eat it, right? So if you guys remember that the Johnny, yes, Papa, right? So it says eating sugar, so no, Papa, telling lies, no, Papa, then eventually open your mouth, right? So that's what is happening, right? So she's first coming and telling, are you sure that you are the one who actually ate this mud? And then initially the child is just laughing and then saying, no, I did not eat it, right? And like any small child would do, he's laughing when he's saying that. So it's pretty obvious that, he wants his mother to test him here. So that's what is happening in stanza 4. So I durvina yatmaka tvaya, comma, kimu mritsa bata vatsa bakshita iti matrugiram chiram vibho, comma, vitatham tvam prati jagnishe hasan. Aidurvinayatmakatvaya kimumutsa bhatavatsa bhakshita iti matrugiram chiram vibho vitatham tvam prati jagnishe hasan.
Aidurvinayatmakatvaya kimumritsa bhatavatsa bhakshita iti matrugiram chiram vibho vidadham tvam prati jagnishe hasan. Aidurvinayatmakatvaya kimumritsa bhatavatsa bhakshita iti matrugiram chiram vibho vidadham tvam prati jagnishe hasan.
Aidurvinayatmakatvaya kimumritsa bhatavatsa bhakshita iti matrugiram chiram vibho vitatam tvam pratijagnishe hasan. Aidurvinayatmakatvaya kimumritsa bhatavatsa bhakshita iti matrugiram chiram vibho vitatam tvam pratijagnishe hasan.
Stanza 5. Ayite sakalair vinischite bimatischet vadanam vidharyatam iti matru bibatsito mukham vikasat padmanibham vyadharayah. So then Yashodan, of course, like he says, hey, if you're disagreeing with what I'm saying, I'm telling that you've eaten mud, and if you keep rejecting and disagreeing, then sakalai vinischite, everybody else is telling that you have actually done this, right? Then vidharyatam vadan, open your mouth, right? Iti bibartsitaha matru. So the mother then, Yashoda then scolds the child, right? Saying to open his mouth. So vyadarayaha. So then the Krishna then opens his mouth, right? Vikasat mukham padmanibham, as if like a lotus is opening its mouth. The Krishna then opens his mouth in stanza 5. Aite sakalair vinischite. Sakalair vinischite, comma. Bimatish ched vadanam vidaryatam. Bimatish ched vadanam vidaryatam. Iti matru bibartsitho mukham. And irrukka bibartsitho mukham, comma, vikasat padma nibham vyadarayah. Aite sakalair vinischite bimatischet vadanam vidharyatam iti matru bibartsitho mukham vikasat padmanibham vyadharayah.
Aite sakalairvinischite bimadichedvadanam vidaryatam iti madra vibhartsito mukham vikasat padmanibham vyadarayah.
We have the first line, bimatish ched vadanam. Ish.
Bimadichedvadanam.
Bimatish.
Okay.
You have a ish there, right? Bimatish.
I don't have, I'll put it.
Okay, what do you have then?
Bimadichedvadanam.
Oh, you have an it there? Oh, I don't know how. Okay. So put a ish there. Bimatish ched vadanam.
Okay. Yeah. Aite sakalairvinischite bimatischedvadanam vidaryatam iti madra vibhartsito mukham vikasat padmanibham vyadarayah.
अयिते सकलैर्विनिश्चिते विमतिश्चेद्वदनं विदार्यताम् इति मातृविभर्त्सितो मुखं विकसत्पद्मनिभं व्यदारयः अयिते सकलैर्विनिश्चिते विमतिश्चेद्वदनं विदार्यताम् इति मातृविभर्त्सितो मुखं विकसत्पद्मनिभं व्यदारयः.
Stanza 6. Apimrillavadarshanotsukam jananīm tam bahutarpayanniv prithivīm nikilamna kevalam bhuvananyapyakilanyathīdrishah. So tam jananīm, to that mother, darshanotsukam, who's very eager to see, like a api mril. So like even a little trace of mud, right? So this mother is eager to see, okay, just open your mouth. I want to see how much mud you've eaten. So as if bahutarpan, as if you're trying to please her. So the child is not trying to go above and beyond. Mother wants to see a small trace of mud. So to go and please the mother, try to show more stuff. Akilan, adidrishaha akilan. So when he opens his mouth, he showed everything. What? Nikilam Prithvim, the whole earth, right? Na kevalam, not just the whole earth, but Bhuvananapi, the other worlds also. So all the worlds, and there are several paragraphs which explain what all he shows. So in this first he says he not only shows him the earth, but also shows all the other worlds also. So in the interesting naka, in the most general scriptures, right? They say there is a creator, and that creator creates things, right? So the creator is different from what is getting created, the creation, right? Or a potter, the potter makes pot. The potter is different from the pot itself. Those are two independent things, right? So in this case, I think when we go through the next set of paragraphs, it will be interesting to see that in this case, the creator is in the creation itself. So, right, whatever has been created, the creator is already there. Right? And the whole creation is also inside the creator, because when the Lord opens the mouth, everything that he has created is also inside the creator as well. Right? So that is kind of the philosophy behind, in the right? It's like they're not two different things, like general definition, right? So it's on the 6. Okay. So api mril lava darshanotsukham. Api mril lava darshanotsukham, comma, Jananim tam bahu tarpayanniva prithivim nikhilam na kevalam, comma, bhuvananyapya. Actually, this is difficult to break it because it's bhuvanani api akilanya didrishaha, but அது வந்து mix பண்றதுனால bhuvananyapyakilanya didrishaha. So see if you guys are able to say it together. Bhuvananyapyakilanya didrishaha. Apimrillavadarshanotsukam jananīm tam bahutarpayanniva prithivīm nikhilamna kevalam bhuvananyapyakilanyadhīdrishah.
Apimrillavadarshanotsukam jananīm tam bahutarpayanniva prithivīm nikhilamna kevalam Bhuvananyapyakhilanyadidrishah. Apimrillavadarshanotsukam jananīm tam bahutarpayanniva prithivīm nikhilamna kevalam Bhuvananyapyakhilanyadidrishah.
I'll try this tongue twisting words. Apimrillavadarshanotsukam Jananīm tam bahutarpayanniva prithivīm nikilam na kevalam bhuvananyapyakhilanyadidrishah. Okay?
Yeah, correct.
Apimrillavadarshanotsukam Jananīm tam bahutarpayanniva prithivīm nikilam na kevalam Bhuvananyapyakhilanyadidrishah.
7. Kuhached vanamambode kvachidhabhram kuhachidrasatalam Manuja Danuja Kvachit Suraha Dadrushe Kim na Tadha Twadhanane. So now what all did she see? Kuhachit Vanam. So somewhere she saw some forest, Vanam forest. Kuhachit Ambudihi. Some places she saw some oceans which were actually there. Kuhachit Abram. Abram is like, you can either call the sky or you can call the upper worlds, right? So earth male irukra Satya Loka, all the other lokas she saw. Kuhachit Rasatalam. Sometimes some places she saw everything which is below the earth. Rasatalam, Patalam, Talatalam, all that she's seeing in some places. Manujaha, she sees humans. Danujaha, she sees all the demons. Kuhachit Suraha, some place she's also seeing Devas. So there's a list of everything, right? So Bhattacharya is saying here, Kimna Dadrushe. So Tada Tvad Anane, when you open that mouth, in your mouth, Kimna Dadrushe, what all did she not see? Right? So essentially she saw so many things, it is difficult to describe everything, but here is a list of things that she saw, and then he asks, what all did she not see in your mouth when you opened it? So Kuhachit Vanam Ambudih Kvachit. Kuhachit Vanam Ambudih Kvachit, comma Kvachidabhram Kuha Chidra Satalam. Kuha Chidra Satalam Manuja Dhanuja Kvachit Suraha. If you don't have the Visarga, put it there because we are stopping there. So it's a Surahas, Danujaha, Suraha, Namari. So Manuja Dhanuja Kvachit Suraha, comma Dadrushe Kimna Tada Twadanane. Kuhachid Vanamambude Kvachit Kvachidabhram Kuhachidrasatalam Manuja Dhanuja Kvachit Suraha Dadrushe Kimna Tada Twadanane.
Kuhachidvanamambudhi kvachit kvajibhadram kuhachidras
Kvachidabhram.
Kujidabhram kuhachidrasadalam manuja kuchit suraha dadrishe kim na tada tvadanane. Kuhachidvanamambudhi kvachit kujidabhram kuhachidrasadalam manuja kuchit suraha dadrishe kim na tada tvadanane.
Rajesh, you were breaking from, you froze. I don't know how it is for others. So when you were saying you froze, I mean, I heard Priya's voice, but I just want to ask. So the first line, Kuhachit Vanam Ambudhi, adu vandu half hava illa just Ambudhi adu?
Ambudihi irukya, Ambudihi Kvachit irukka. What do you have?
Inga he kadayadu, inga visargave illenga. So Ambudhiha da.
Ada, and the visarga irukku, but you put a ik there, a small ik there. You can.
Oh, Ambudhikka anga.
Ambudih, dih, ich, not ik. Ich.
Half hick.
Ich, I-H Mari. Ich.
Okay, Ambudhi. Okay. And yeah, I think on the line, I mean, I'll say it, but you were frozen on the time.
Okay, just try it, I'll fix it if there's anything wrong. Yeah.
Okay. Kuhajit vanam ambudhi kvachit. Correct?
Yeah.
Kvachit.
Correct.
Kuhajit vanam ambudhi kvachit. Kvachidabhram kuhachidrasatalam. Manuja tanuja kvachit suraha. Dadrushe kim na tada tvadanane. Kuhachid vanam ambudhi kvachit. Kvachidabhram kuhachidrasatalam. Manuja danuja kvachit suraha. Dadrushe kim na tada tvadanane.
Right. Stanza 8.
Rajesh, I have a question on that first line, the Kvachita Kvachita Vada.
Kvachit, I think in the Cholumbod and the Tunumbod, it will come Kuhachit Vanamambode Kvachit Kvachidhab. Okay, so just put that emphasis on that it. If that was your question, I don't know.
Yes, that was my question. Okay.
Stanza 8. Kalashambudishayinam punaha paravaikunda padadivasinam swapurascha nijarbhagatmakam katidhatvam nadadarsha samukhe. So now Samukhe, in your mouth, let's see what else she's seeing. Shainam Kalasha Ambudihi. So in the milky ocean, like Shainam, she sees the person in a reclining position, right? Punaha para Vaikunda Padadi Vasanam. So in the so she sees the Lord in a reclining position in the Milky Ocean as the Paramatma in Vaikunta, right? So as the Paramatma in the Vaikunta, he's now in a reclining position in the Milky Ocean. Then she also sees Nija Arbaga Atakam. She sees her own son, which is the Krishna, so Puraha, in front of her. So she's also now seeing, herself and her son in the son's mouth as well. So Katidana Dadarshatvam. So she says, in how many ways did she not see you? Right? She sees you in the current form that she's seeing. She sees inside your mouth. She sees the whole Paramatma lying in the Milky Ocean. She then sees the same child form inside your mouth also. She's also seeing all the other things in the world, which is you also. So here Bhattacharya says, Kadidana Dadarshatvam. In how many ways did she not see you? Right? The various forms of the Lord. So sweet. So Kalashambudi Shainam Punaha, comma, Para Vaikuntha Padadi Vasinam. Para Vaikuntha Padadi Vasinam Swapurascha Nijarbhagatmakam. Nijarbhagatmakam. Nijarbhagatmakam, but Nijarbhagatmakam, comma, Khatida Twam Nadadarsha Sa Mukhe. Kalashambudishainam Punaha Paravaikuntha Padhadivasinam Swapurascha Nijarbhagatmakam Katidhatvam Nadadarsha Samukhe.
Kalashambudishainam Punaha Paravaikuntha-padhadivasinam Swapurascha Nijarbhagatmakam Kathidatvam Nadadarshya Samukhe. Kalashambudhishainam Punaha Paravaikuntha-padhadivasinam Swapurascha Nijarbhagatmakam Kathidatvam Nadadarshya Samukhe.
Kalashambudishainam punaha Paravaikuntha-padadivasinam Swapurascha Nijarbhagatmakam Katitatvam Nadadarsha Samukhe. Nadadarsha, right?
Swapurascha. And the wording you said something different.
Swapurascha. Swapurascha. Okay.
Yeah.
Nadadarsha. Nadadarsha.
Katidhatvam Nadadarsha Samukhe. Nadadarsha.
Nadadarsha. Okay. Okay, I'll say again. Kalashambudishainam punaha Paravaikuntha-padadivasinam Swapurascha Nijarbhagatmakam Katidatvam Nadadarsha Samukhe.
Okay. 9. Vikasad Bhuvane Mukodhare Nanu Bhuyopi Tata Vidhananaha Anaya Sfutamikshito Bhavan Anavastham Jagatam Bhatatanot. So now Mukhe Udare, so not just like in the cavity of the mouth, right? So like, wherever the teeth are and all the, resting in those teeth in the cavity of the mouth. Vikasat Bhuvane, so she was able to see all the other planets and the galaxies and everything shining inside the cavity of the mouth. Nanu Bhuya, and then again, Tata Vidhananaha. So in that mouth, she was also able to see the Lord's mouth open in that mouth as well. So in the previous stanza, she saw the baby Krishna sitting and she saw herself standing or sitting in front of Krishna. That was in the previous. Here, she was also able to see another Krishna with his mouth open, and inside that she was able to see more, right? So it keeps going. So here, Bhattacharya says, Bhathatanot Bhavan Anavastam. So it is kind of like it's infinite, right? So like it just keeps on going that way. So she's able to see this. So the infinite presence of the Lord was all now seen in this case, right? By Yashoda. So I was like curious, like how Yashoda, like, because Narepir, they keep saying how Yashoda got all this, right? Because so many people have all this penance, and but Yashoda, how did she get the benefit of seeing all this, right? So I don't know how true the story is, but Ramayanathla வந்து when Kaikeyi liked Rama a lot, right? But then whatever happened because of that instinct, at the samayatla, she made him go to the forest, right? So eventually when Rama comes back, and the samayatla Kaikeyi, then he first goes and meets Kaikeyi, right? Because he really likes her and thinks of her as a mother as well. So he first goes to Kaikeyi and then Namaskaram Pandran. So Kaikeyi really feels bad that everything that she's done, right? And she says, whatever karma I did, I don't know, for whatever reason, you made me go to the forest. So I feel very bad about it. So Anda Samayatla, then she says that I really want to be your mother. But in but Kaushalya, who was the mother of Rama, then Aditi, Avalam, they've all been the same, the people who have been. So the Samayatla Devaki was in that path. So she was originally the birth mother. And they're saying Kaikeyi became Yashoda, who actually, was a mother who brought Krishna up, right? And a connection, right? So that's why she's so special, because more than Devaki, Yashoda got to enjoy Krishna more, right? And live through his Leela. So that is 9. So Vikasat Bhuvane Mukhodare, Nanu Bhuyopi Tatha Vidhananaha Anaya Sputam Ikshito Bhavan, Anaya Sputam Ikshito Bhavan, and then Nunaka make it in. Okay, so Bhavan, and then Anavastam, put a A there. Anavastam Jagatam Batatanot. So we have Na, break it into in plus A. So Anaya Sputam Ikshito Bhavan, Anavastam Jagatam Batatanot. Vikasad Bhuvane Mukodare Nanu Bhuyopi Tatha Vidhananaha Anaya Sputamikshito Bhavan Anavastham Jagatam Bhatatanot.
Vikasad Bhuvane Mukhodare Nanu Bhuyopi Tatha Vidhananaha Anaya Sputamikshito Bhavan Anavastham Jagatam Bhatatanot. Vikasat Bhuvane Mukhodare Nanu Bhuyopi Tatha Vidhananaha Anaya Sputamikshito Bhavan Anavastham Jagatam Bhatatanot.
Vikasad Bhuvane Mukodare Nanu Bhuyopi Tatha Vidhananaha Anaya Sputam Ikshito Bhavan Anavastam Jagatam Bhatatanot.
Satya, Bhavan, I think you should be able to end it with just Bhavan.
Okay, I think I realized it. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, Bhavan. Vikasad Bhuvane Mukodare Nanu Bhuyopi Tatha Vidhananaha Anaya Sputam Ikshito Bhavan Anavastam Jagatam Bhatatanot.
Tanot, you just should be able to end it with it.
Oh, I don't have to stress the
Anavastham Jagatam Bhatatanot.
Oh, I don't have to stress on that.
Yeah, you don't have to stress on it. Stanza 10. Dhritatadvadiyam tadhakshanam jananim tam pranahena mohayan stanamam badishetyupasajante bhagavan adbhuta bhala pahimam. So tadakshanam, the kshanam, the original definition is like it's less than a second. It is like 4/5 of a second, so 80% of a second. So she saw all of these things in one kshanam. That's all it took, right? Where she was able to see everything. And the moment that one kshanam passed, Dhrita Tadvadyam, she came back to reality, right? So she didn't remember everything, and everything she saw, she had forgotten, and she didn't remember anything that she saw, right? So all of this happened for that's just 1 second, less than a second. So Tam Janani, to that mother. So Mohayan, so this child now is affectionately going, and Upasajan, so the child goes and embraces the mother here, and then says Amba Dishasthanam. She says, okay, child now wants milk, right? So that's all. So on the second she saw it, everything is done. Now the child goes back and then hugs its mother and then asks for milk. So Bhagavan, Adbhuta Bala, you are such a wonderful child. Pahima, please protect me. This chapter ends. So Drita Tattva Dhyam Tada Kshanam, comma, Jananim Tam Pranayena Mohayan Stanam Amba Dishetyu Pasajan, comma, Bhagavan Adbhuta Balapahima. Okay, double ner, you can just say it as Bhagavan Adbhuta Balapahima. Dritatattvadiyam tadhakshanam jananim tam pranayena mohayan stanamam badishetyupasajan Bhagavan Adbhuta Balapahimam.
Kritatattvadiyam tadakshanam jananīm tam pranayena mohayan stanamam badishetyupasajan Bhagavan Adbhuta Balapahimam. Kritatattvadiyam tadakshanam jananīm tam pranayena mohayan stanamam badishetyupasajan Bhagavan Adbhuta Balapahimam.
Dritatattvadiyam tadakshanam jananīm tam pranayena mohayan stanamam badishetyupasajan Bhagavan Adbhuta Balapahimam. Dritatattvadiyam tadakshanam jananīm tam pranayena mohayan stanamam dishetyupasajan Bhagavan Adbhuta Balapahimam.
Very good. So that completes 46. So I'll just chant 46 once. So you guys can also just chant on mute and then we'll end the class. Okay. Ahi deva pura kilatvahi swayamutthana shahe stanhandahe parijrumbanato vyapavrite vadane vishwamachashtawallavi punarapyata bhalakai samam Tvai leela nirate jagatpate phala sanchaya vanchana krudha tava mridbhojanamuchurarbakaha aite pralayavadhau vibho kshidito yadi samasta bhakshinaha mridupashanato ruja bhavete iti bhita janani chukopasa Ayi durvinayatmakatvaya kimu mritsa bhatavatsa bhakshita iti matrugiram chiram vibho bitatham tvam pratijagnishe hasan ayite sakalair vinischite bimatischet vadanam vidharyatam iti matru vibatsito mukham vikasat padmanibham vyadharayah Api mrillavadarshanot sukham jananim tam bahutarpayanniva prithivim nikilam na kevalam bhuvananyapyakhilanyadhidrishaha kuhachit vanamambude kvachite kvachidhabram kuhachidrasatalam manujadanuja kvachit suraha dadrushe kim na tadha tvadhanane Kalashambudishayinam punaha paravaikuntapadaadivasinam swapurascha nijarbakhatmakam khatidhatvam nadadasya samuke vikasad bhuvane mukhodhare nanubhuyopi tatha vidhananah anaya sfutamikshito bhavan anavastham jagatam batatanot Dritatattvadiyam tadhakshanam jananim tam pranayena mohayan stanamam badishetyupasajan Bhagavan Adbhuta Balapahimam. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. So we'll end the class here. सान्द्रानन्दावबोधात्मकमनुपमिदं कालदेशावदेभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानां कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. Okay.
Thank you, Rajesh.